Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this Gen-Y Torsion 2 ball mount with stacked receivers. This shock absorbing adjustable ball mount is going to slide into your 2-inch trailer hitch receiver, and it's going to give you 5 stacked 2-inch receivers, so you can hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle with the included 2-inch or 2 5/16 inch hitch ball, or you can tow a trailer that has a lunette ring on it using the larger 2 5/16 inch ball paired with the included Pintle lock. Let me give you a brief demonstration of how you can use this Pintle lock. So again, you're going to want to use the larger 2 5/16 inch hitch ball, and then after you place your ring over this ball, you're going to remove your clip and then your pin, and then that's going to allow you to slide that lock out, and then you'll just replace the pin and the clip, and so you won't have to worry about that lunette ring coming off because of that Pintle lock. And then when you're ready to stow it, just remove the clip and the clip and the pin again, and you can slide that back into the stowed position so it's out of your way. And then I'm just going to go ahead and replace the clip. So this is going to be very easy to use, and what's nice is the Pintle lock is also adjustable, so wherever you need this ball set at, the Pintle lock will also be able to be adjusted up and down these receivers. Now, these 5 stacked 2-inch receivers are obviously going to let you adjust the height of the included ball mount or any other accessory you choose to use, so you can tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. The included aluminum pin and clips are obviously going to secure the ball attachment and the Pintle lock, and the accessory pinhole diameter is 5/8 of an inch, and these pins are going to slide very easily through these accessory holes, so you're not going to have to worry about struggling with these. There's no resistance. They're going to slide through those holes without any problem whatsoever. And if I didn't mention already, the accessory pinhole diameter is 5/8 of an inch. So currently I have this in the drop position, and this provides a maximum drop of about 7.5 inches, and then a maximum rise when you flip this over of about 7.5 inches. The gross towing weight with both of these balls is 10,000 pounds. The tongue weight is 400 pounds to 1,100 pounds. And the reason for that range is because of our shock absorbing design. Now, the shock absorbing design functions very similar to a torsion axle. Built into the Gen-Y mount are tubes with inner bars, as you can see right here. I've got a cutaway here just to kind of demonstrate what's going on there. So these tubes with the inner bars are surrounded by these rubber cords. And as the receivers rise and fall, these inner bars twist inside of the tubes, attempting to follow the motion of the vertical shank. But these rubber cords are going to prevent the bars from twisting too far. As each bar turns, these cords compress to absorb the shock. So what that means for you is that any shock experienced by your truck can be absorbed before it reaches your trailer, and the shock experienced by your trailer won't get transferred to your truck. This type of shock absorption system is very easy to maintain, and let me give you an overhead view here real quick. Just line this up here and show you the Zerk that we have, one of the Zerks that we have here. You're just going to regularly apply grease to the built-in Zerks to keep the components in working order. No airbags to fill, no small parts to repair or replace, ultimately no hassle. Now while we're here, I do want to show you the pin weight scale that we have right here. This is going to help you make sure that the trailer weight is balanced properly. This white mark will line up with the green portion of the sticker when it's properly balanced. so that you're not exceeding your tongue weight or don't have enough tongue weight. It's on the red because we don't have any weight on there. So having that tongue weight scale built in is going to give you a reference point to make sure that your trailer is properly loaded. Now this has a 5/8 of an inch in diameter pinholes, 2 5/8 of an inch in diameter pinholes, and the hitch pin and clips are not included, but you probably already have one for your hitch. But if not, we do have lots of options available here at etrailer.com. We also have some locking pins that could be purchased to secure your investment. I would recommend taking a look at our locking pin options because really this is an investment that you are making, and I think it would be a great idea to consider securing this to the back of your vehicle so you don't have to worry about somebody walking off with your investment. Just some measurements that might prove helpful for you. From the center of the first the first pinhole to the center of our hitch ball, we're sitting at right about 16 inches. And then from the center of our second pinhole to the center of our hitch ball, we're sitting at about 17 inches. The overall height is about 13 inches. And this is made here in the USA of a heavy duty steel construction with this really great zinc primer and epoxy powder coat to help resist rust and corrosion. By the way, as you might know, Gen-Y really does have a great reputation for building very solid, very robust products. And this is definitely no exception to that. This weighs about 76 pounds, so keep that in mind. This is very heavy duty. I needed help putting it on my table. I'm not a strong guy, so just keep that in mind that you might need some help putting this in your hitch receiver on the back of your vehicle. So again, it's going to be a very heavy duty item for you. This is SAE J684 certified. And that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.